I was looking for a screen protector for my car's stereo system, and after some browsing, I decided to go with this tempered glass protective film from a randomly selected supplier. This particular film is designed for a car stereo system with a 9-inch display. I'll walk you through a quick installation, and then show you how it looks after it's applied. Let's get started. I received this order within 20 days, and it arrived securely packed in a nice box. Inside, you can see the screen protector itself, along with 2 cleaning cloths. It seems both cloths are provided for cleaning the car stereo display before installation. Let's take a closer look and prepare for the installation. After the installation, here's how the display looks. It's crystal clear, and from my experience, the touch sensitivity feels even better than before. Using a protective screen like this helps keep your display safe and protects your valuable car stereo system from scratches and damage. If you're interested in buying one, check the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay with SetnFix. Be innovative, stay with SetnFix.